Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In this video we'll see overview of Windows 11 which is launched just couple of hours before. We'll cover installation part of Windows 11. After installation we'll see what is the touch and feel of Windows 11 and what additional feature Windows 11 offer in comparison with Windows 10. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. Okay friends, so let's start with the installation process. So guys, we are installing Windows 11 on a virtual machine. So let's start the installation process. Okay, so now we have to select the operating system we want to install. As you can see, it is offering Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Home N, Home Single Language, Education, Education N, Pro, Pro N. You can see these are the multiple operating system it is offering, which is of 64-bit. So right now we'll go with Windows 11 Pro. So you can see we have to accept the license, so we'll check the box and we'll click on next. Now we have to allocate the size. I will give the complete size, so we'll click on next. So guys, as you can see, installation has started. So guys, I will pause the video till the time installation get complete, and once the installation will complete, we'll resume. Okay friends, so our basic installation process has completed. So you can see this is the first view of Windows 11. So you can see this is the white interface which is looking quite good. Okay, so you have to now select the country region you live in. So I will select India and then click on yes. Now it is saying like you have to select the keyboard layout or input method. So I will select English India. So if you want a second keyboard layout, you can select it by clicking on add layout, or else you can click on skip. So it's checking for update. So is it saying like how would you like to set up this device? So we'll go with personal use. Now we have to add the Microsoft account. If you have, you can enter, then else you can create the one, or else you can see the sign in options. After entering the email address, then you can proceed, then enter the password as well. Then entering the password, we can sign in. So you can create a pin for the security feature, right? So we have entered the 4-digit pin. So you can include the letters and symbols. You can check this box, else move further. Okay, so as you can see in the privacy settings, everything is on. You can turn it off if you don't want anything, right? So we'll accept it. So now it's like you can customize your experience as well in Windows 11. Like you can check the box, you can read about that gaming, play and discover games. You can select the box. So we don't want anything right now, so we can skip this. You can save the space on your PC with OneDrive. You can select the OneDrive option, or else you can select the only store the files on this device. So we'll proceed with only store the file on this device. So it's again checking for update. So we are almost done. It is getting things ready for us. One thing I have noticed that in comparison with Windows 10, now we are not getting the Corneta, which is a Microsoft voice assistant. We are not seeing in this installation process. So till now we have not seen anything quite similar with Windows 10. Everything we are seeing, like the interface is completely changed in Windows 11 till now. Okay friends, so this is the first view of Windows 11. You can see it is looking quite fresh. And it's completely different in comparison with Windows 10. So you can see this is a start menu. You can click over here and you can see it is opening like tablet, and you can see these are the apps. You can scroll down for more apps. You can see all the apps are there, right? You can click on all apps. So you can see alphabetically these all apps are lined up. Right now we'll go back. You can see this is the power button which is offering you shutdown and restart. It is looking quite decent. You can see all the apps. You can pin the important apps above. You can see unpin from start and administrator. It's looking quite good. And guys, if you are using this app quite frequently, you can move it upward. You can see move to top. So it's now on top. So you can customize all the apps according to your choice. You can see instead of square boxes, these icons are looking quite round in shape. So this is our start menu. This is the search. So this is a search option. It is looking quite similar as we have seen in Windows 10. So you can click on apps. You can select on documents. Click on web. You can click on more. And now the second thing we have the desktop. Like you can add the second desktop option, right? If we have opened the multiple apps, like let me open the File Explorer, and now let me open the browser as well. So let me expand it. So you can see it is quite simple to swap between the apps. Like if I have opened the multiple apps, let me open the File Explorer as well. So if you want to swap between these two apps, you can simply click over here and then you can go to the browser and we can move then back to our file explorer. So we can see that animation part is also good. So you can see now this is the widgets. You can click over here to open it. So right now it having trouble in loading, so we can reload it once. We can try it. So it is still having the problem. Okay friends, so now let me maximize the file explorer. One thing I have also liked it about, like in Windows 10 we have to stretch in this way and then we have to adjust it according to ourselves, but now you can simply just keep your cursor over here and you can select any dimension you want the file explorer to be. Like if I will select this, so it will get converted into this type. So now if you want it in a rectangle shape, you can select it, so it will be now in rectangle shape, right? So this is quite good feature in Windows 11. And now you can see like the icons are completely changed. Now let me click on this PC. So you can see the desktop, documents, all the icons are changed now. Now let me right click over here and click on properties. So you can see the device name, and this is a 64-bit operating system we have installed, and you can see the version name as well. So let's close this. Okay friends, I think most of you have used the Windows 10, so you can see the visible changes in Windows 11. Let me close this as well. Now we have a file explorer which we have already seen. This is the browser and this is the Microsoft Store. Now let's see the notification part. So you can see these are the notifications. So you can see these are the shortcuts. You can click on expand to expand it. So you can clear the notification by clicking over here. So it is looking quite similar in comparison with Windows 10. Let me click on system. You can go back now. So you can see it is offering like location, nightlight, all settings, network, connect, screen snip. Now you can click on personalize to personalize the settings. This window is not activated yet, so we can't change the background right now. Now let me close this. So there are many changes in Windows 11 they have made it, like the new start menu, rounded corners. So now it is also supporting the dark mode, where the main elements of the UI such as the start menu, file explorer, contacts menu can be available with the rounded corners. It is also expected that with the new update, new window logos can be also be launched. According to a report, it also said that Windows 10 user will get the update of Windows 11. The report also says that Microsoft made these changes, then the number of users of its new Windows can see a tremendous increase. The biggest change, you can see that the taskbar is now in the middle. We can shift it in corner, but this is the main. By default it will be in the middle. Friends, now it is officially announced, so we can just explore it more. If you have explored the other cool features in Windows 11 in comparison with Windows 10, you can just mention it down in the comment section. So friend, this was a quick overview, touch and feel of Windows 11. I will see you guys in next video. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.